Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today, let's discuss a very interesting question. When should I get a home loan? Not many people would ask such a question, and I'm very happy that I was asked this question by Sudeepta Roy. So, many people are very emotional about purchasing a home loan. They are not as emotional about investing for retirement. I'm not saying you should not be emotional about a home loan or buying a home, but there should be a balance, and that's what Sudipta also wants. So, let's take a simple thumb rule. So, suppose your take home pay is 1 lakh, and we will assume that 10,000 is the NPS contribution by the employer, and another 10,000 is taken from your salary. After all that, the take home pay is 1 lakh, and the expenses out of that 1 lakh that will last until retirement, that is the expenses that will persist until retirement, are, let's say, 45,000. Now, given this circumstance, now what this means is your total expenses could be higher than 45,000, but out of those total expenses, you expect the expenses to continue after retirement to be 45,000. Now, given this, a simple thumb rule is that you should invest 20 to 25,000 from your take home for retirement. So that means your total investment would be 10,000 NPS contribution from employer, 10,000 from the employee. That is 20,000 plus another 20 to 25,000, which makes the total investment 40 to 45,000. So if 45,000 is the expense that will persist in retirement, you must match that as an investment for retirement totally, including NPS contribution or EPF contribution, whatever it is. So for this example, 20 to 25% of your take home will be required as investment for your retirement. That is for comfortable retirement with financial independence that can beat inflation and so on. This is a simple thumb rule. I'm not done a exact calculation. Now, if you say that I want to get a home loan now, then the investment that you will make towards retirement will reduce. So, the thumb rule I would like to say is reasonable for when should I get a home loan is, as long as you are able to continue investing 10 to 15% of your take home pay for your retirement or other long term goals, you can start servicing a home loan. It's better to do it early on in the career, not too early, let's say after 5 years. So somewhere in the late 20s or early 30s, you can start the home loan and get a 15-year home loan maybe, and try to finish it off in about 10 years to 12 years, roughly, approximately. So, but during this time, your investments for retirement as well as other long-term goals for your children, etc., should not drop below 10% of your take home. So as long as you are able to find that balance between expenses, EMI, and investments, it is fine. The problem is many people completely stop investing when they get a home loan because of the EMI burden. That shouldn't happen. So you should wait until you are able to at least continue investing 10% for retirement and long-term goals when you are servicing the home loan. And I think that would be the right time. When you are able to do this, that would be the right time to get a home loan.